Okay, now we're going to start marking to assemble this. We want our end piece to stick out past this edge 1/16 of an inch. That way we don't have a sharp edge. So I take my compound square. I'll set it at 1/16 of an inch. Put it against one edge. Use my pencil to mark. I found that this is easier than trying to use a tape measure and holding it in place. Okay, so I've got one side marked at a 1/16. Now I need to mark the other side, but you want to make sure and mark it on the same edge. So I'm here. This time I'm going opposite of me. Okay, so I've got those all marked. Okay, and when I attach my lumber to my sheet metal, I want to be in the center of this lumber. So it's 3/4 of an inch, so the middle of it is 3/8 of an inch. So my holes that need to be 1 inch up, 2.5 inches up, and then right below this hem need to be 3/8 of an inch in. So we can take our square, set it at 3/8 of an inch. Well, that's 3/4. Okay. So now I can set my square at 1 inch. You can also use a tape measure if you'd like. Now 2.5 inches. Okay, before I lose those, I am going to, oh, wrong pen. Make a mark so I know where I'm at. This top one, we've got it marked at 3/8 of an inch. I know I need to mark that one at 3/8, I'm sorry. And I give you a little bit of room here. So now I've got those marked. Okay. Now I'm going to use a center punch so my drill bit doesn't drift on me. Set it over the table. Put that on my cross. One tap. All you're trying to do is make a dot there for the drill bit to live in. One tap. One tap. Then you can get a piece of scrap wood, put it underneath, clamp everything down, drill your holes. These bottom two holes need to be large enough for the 3D 1.25" nail to go through. The top one needs to be large enough, just large enough for that wood screw to go through. Okay? After you get it all assembled, you've got yourself a sheet metal toolbox. Thank you.